Making an event is a really easy thing. So what you're going to do, and by the way, an event will show up right here. It will say upcoming because one of the things we're trying to do is not just show events but also show deadlines, whether it's student teaching deadlines or in this case student teaching field packet due. Anyway, but they're all under a category called events. So you have to be in the dashboard, which there are two ways to get to the dashboard. You either hover over here and go to dashboard, or just click on an edit page. Any edit page will do because you're not actually going to edit the page. You're just going to come over here in the dashboard to events, click on events, and now you're in the events. Now take note that event categories, each of these events that you'll see has a category next to it. That's really important if for some reason our event is specific to one individual program or lab or center or what have you. So all you're going to do to add your event is click on new event, add new, and you're going to give your event or deadline a title. Now whatever this title is, that is what is going to show up in, let's do this, that is what's going to show up right here. So keep that in mind. So our event, for example, is going to be, let's say, WSU football versus Arizona. We're just doing this as a test. The Cougs take on the Wildcats in the desert. Cougs are looking to win their third in a row. Is that right? Okay. You're going to choose your category. In this case, we're just going to hypothetically say it is an athletic training event, but you would choose yours. If it doesn't exist, then you add it. So, for example, let's actually say that this is part of the Mestizo Center. Ta-da! Okay, we're going to add that. That's a Mestizo Center event and an athletic training event. Alright, we're going to put the day and the time. Put the start and the end time. Start time, 1 p.m. on Saturday. And take note that the calendar is Monday through Sunday. So it's going to be on a Saturday. It's going to end at 5. We'll just say that that's correct. The location. Once you have a location in and we've used it, then they'll come up by default with all of the information after that. In this case, our game is going to take place in Cleveland 247. I know that seems weird, but just for the sake of showing you. And our organizer is going to be, we're going to do a new organizer. Organizer is going to be Mike Trevison. Phone number is going to be 509-335. Oops. That's all made up. We don't have to put the rest there. And if you do have an event website, you can put it right there. I think we are done. So, what we're going to do is click Publish. And once it's published, you can view the event, see what it looks like. And it takes about a minute or two for it actually to populate and show up here in the upcoming events. Yeah, so you don't see it right now. So let's see here. Okay, so in the all events, it does show up a little faster, but it takes a little bit to populate in the menu on the different pages. So that would show up though. So that's how you make an event. It's actually very, very simple. Again, it is in the overall in the events thing already. It says there you go, WSU football versus Arizona, Cleveland 247. Here's the description, day, time, all of that, and if you click on that find out more, then it's just that whole thing. It gives people an option to put this on their calendar, which is really nice as well. So that's how you add an event. It's a very simple thing, and let's see if before we go, if by chance it's on there yet. No, it's not. Okay, and before I actually let this get on there, I'm probably going to delete it, just to be safe. But that's how you do it. It's very simple. Thanks so much for joining on this small tutorial.